Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another Spanish video tutorial. In this video we're going to go over los números del 2000 a 2999, or the numbers from 2000 to 2999. What I'm going to teach you is the prefix for the numbers between 2000 and 299, and then I'm going to teach you how to write and pronounce random numbers between 2000 and 2999. Quick knowledge. So we have the number 2000. The prefix we will be using for the numbers between 2000 and 2999 are the words dos mil, which is the 2000s. So for all the numbers between 2000 through 299, we have to write dos mil as our prefix. Okay? So let's begin. We know that our prefix is dos mil, 2000, and it represents a complete 2 and 3 zeros, dos mil. So we could write this down for all of them because we know that this will be our first words used to describe and write the number accordingly. So let's go over it. I'm going to do a fast rewind, and when you're done, we should have all the numbers here. Alright, so I wrote down all the numbers, prefix for each number, which is always the same as dos mil. Now, let's start writing the continuous numbers and the words pertaining to that number. So the first one is dos mil, that stays the same. The second one is 2001, or 2001. The next one is 2006, which is 2006. The next one is 2009, which is 2009. I highly recommend you write it with me and pronounce it right after I say it. It'll help you understand and pronounce better. So 2009. For 2010, we have 2010. For 2018, we have 2018. 2018. For 2023, we have 2023. 23. For 2036, we have 2036. For 2048, we have 2048. 2048. For 2076, we have 2076. 2076. 2076. For 2099, we have 2099. For 2100, we have 2100. For 2101, we have 2101. 2101. For 2156, we have 2150. 2156. For 2238, we have 2238. All right, let's go to the next one. And here we have the first one is 2333, which is 2300. 33. The next one is 2,468, which is 2,400. 68. And the next one is 2,586, which is 2,586. 2,586. 2,672 is 2,672. Now the next one is 2,788, which is 2,788. Let me erase that. And we'll go back. 788. 2,892, or 2,892, which is 892. 2,999, or 2,999 is 2,999. Again, these are numbers. The last three are the numbers that we already learned in previous videos, but let me teach you again, just in case you didn't understand. So let's take this 2,892 as an example. The first number is going to be 2,000. The next number, here, let me change the color. The 8 is going to be 2,800, because it's in the 800, so this is thousands place, this is hundreds place, this is tens place, and this is in the ones place. And then we have, to go with the 92, we have 90 for the 90s, and then we have y2. So 2,892. 2,892. So this concludes our video. We'll be doing this over and over again in the 3,000s, 4,000s, 5,000s, up to 9,000s. So please replay this video as many times as you can. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel, as well as liking this video. Thank you and have a great one.